Other advanced modes that exist are multiply, which basically takes the pixels from both A and B and just multiplies them. The output of this kind of an image is much darker again. Another popular method is screen, which actually is represented by this equation. And if you look at it, what it basically is doing is that screen blend mode, the values of the pixels in the two layers are first inverted by, again, as I said, in this case, I'm showcasing only values that are from 0 to 1. And in this case, inverted because 1 minus A would invert it. And similarly, inverting it for the bottom layer, 1 minus B. And then finally, again, multiplied and then inverted again. So in essence, screen is the opposite effect of multiply. By doing the inversion, and in this case, the inversion is done by subtracting from 1. Again, these are images. I emphasize that I'm showcasing only images that are from 0 to 1, not 0 to 55. As we've talked about, we can take an image from 0 to 255 and scale it in space from 0 to 1 also. Of course, the output of this is a brighter image. A very popular method also is overlay, which basically what it does, it combines a little bit of both multiply and screen. So in this case, the parts of the top layer where the base layer, the bottom layer, is light becomes lighter, and the parts where the base layer is darker becomes darker. So in essence, this kind of combines both those values and actually gives you much nicer way of looking at images again. Of course, all of them are kind of trying to give you a novel pixel